This is the windiest day so far in Veracruz. The trees are going crazy. Look at that. Look at those trees moving and wiggling and dancing and going crazy. Look. They're moving. Man, we gotta get some beats going down here. Some music for all these trees. They're doing some dancing. The winds kept Cam up really late last night. He couldn't sleep because the winds were so bad. And look at that stormy ocean. Stormy, stormy ocean. That'll get ya. This is me signing out on the windiest day I've had in Veracruz.